Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, today I am doing a Firmoo try-on haul slash review, try-on haul and review. Y'all get the gist. First of all, I want to shout out Firmoo for reaching out to me and consider me to do this collab. I am very grateful for this opportunity. But let's get straight into this try-on haul. I actually have my package here. I did not open it. I have not seen these glasses. I think I remember what I ordered, but I haven't opened the package because I just wanted to do like a full unboxing, like a full everything on camera and nothing beforehand. So let me unpackage it. Ooh, and it already looks so good. All I can see is bright orange on the inside. Like, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, this is so cute. This is what it is looking like. This is super cute. I've actually never had a glass case like this before. It's a slide out glass case, so I guess you could slide either side. It comes out like that. It has Firmoo in the front. You slide it out and this is the goods. Look at them. Let me make sure to do this carefully. This is what it looks like. I am kind of nervous. Let me go ahead and tell you guys what comes in it. Or you get an order discount card for like a gift card. So I got a gift card and like you can scan it. Then it also comes with 50% off frames for your next purchase. And what is this? See the world in a better sight. And this is clean, and this is to instructions like on how to clean and care for your glasses, adapting to new glasses and maintaining eye health. So definitely gonna read this. For the start of the show, this is why we're all here. Now, I chose these glasses, y'all, but I don't really remember what I chose, but I know what I chose was cute. Ooh, y'all, look at these. Y'all, look at these. I'm literally blown away, but look at this. Oh my goodness. I know y'all can see like the reflection, but y'all, look at these glasses. The quality, like y'all, just holding these glasses in my hand and doing this, these glasses are so sturdy. Oh my god, look at the detail, like this little star detail right in the corner, like oh my goodness. All right, let me try them on, y'all. When I tell you that these glasses are, wait a minute, let me try this again. Y'all, look at these glasses. Firmoo, y'all did y'all big one with these glasses. Let me get into these specs. Y'all, these glasses look so good on me. Over the last couple of years, my eyesight has not been the greatest, so I've had been having to wear glasses over like the last couple of years. And y'all, look at this. Look at these. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I look like a professional corporate, well, girly, like, because I already actually am, but I look so good. Y'all, these glasses look so good on me. They feel so sturdy. Let us get into the specs of the glasses. So these glasses are called the Judy 161. I believe the price is between $32 and $37. The fit is perfecto. The fit is extremely perfect. They feel good on my face. They look good on my face, which is most important. Well, outside of the fact that I need to see, but they feel good on my face. They look good on my face, and I can see. Y'all, another thing is I actually got my prescription put into these glasses, so these are not any play glasses. But you know, you could get you some play glasses, but these are not any play glasses for me, because I am going to be actually using these because I actually got my prescription put in them. And I feel like that's so accommodating that you can get your prescription done in your glasses before you actually receive them. Y'all, I can't get over how I look. Like, I just can't get over how these glasses look on me. They look so corporate, so professional. And the thing is, I got this in, I think this pattern is like tortoise pattern. I've been seeing the girlies like wearing this kind of tortoise like frame, but I've never had like this nudie color, which I really like. So this is my first pair like this. Y'all, look at me. Look at this side. Look at this side profile. let me get into like the packaging again. You have like this actual hard case. If you are one of those girlies that just throw your glasses in your bag and you're not too careful with your glasses, this is the case that you would need. This is the case you would need. I would need this case too, but this is for y'all girlies who are not careful with your glasses. And then the ones that are a little bit more careful, y'all could get away with this pouch. And this pouch is a pouch to put your glasses in, but also a pouch to clean your frames. Like, how innovative is that? But y'all, on top of these glasses being super stylish and professional, let us talk about the affordability. Tell me where you could get glasses like these for $32. Tell me where. I don't know. Y'all need to do yourself a favor and head over to Firmoo and get you a pair of glasses. They have a wide range of glasses to choose from. It was honestly super hard for me to choose. The other thing that I liked about the experience while I was shopping and trying to choose my glasses was that they had an option for you to try on the glasses. You go on the site, you choose the glasses, you choose the pattern. If they have them in multiple patterns or multiple colors, then there's an option where you can actually try on the glasses. You can upload a photo of yourself, or you could just use the photos that they have of like other people with different face shapes, face sizes. I chose somebody that I figured had like a face shape like mine. That was pretty much how I made my decision. It was easy to do. And you put your glasses in the car and you are ready to go. Y'all can tell that your girl wears lashes. I'm a lash girl. These glasses do not have my lashes like scraping against them. Very much lash girl friendly, which is a must for me. Honestly, there's nothing that I can much more say about these glasses. What I can tell y'all is that y'all need to head over to Firmoo, and I'm gonna leave the link down below, and also a code for y'all to get 50% off on your first purchase, next purchase, whatever. You will get 50% off with the code I'm gonna leave down below. And again, I want to thank Firmoo for reaching out to me to do this collaboration, and I cannot wait to get my hands on some more Firmoo frames, because y'all could tell this girl, she ain't disappointed at all. She ain't disappointed one bit. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this try on haul / review on my new Firmoo frames. Take a last look. Take a last look. Look at me, y'all already know.